Hi, third graders. Miss O'Mara here. I am giving you your math lesson today. And I know it's a little bit different than being in a classroom and having class talks and math talks and all of that fun thing. So here's just a quick video. Not great at videoing, so hang in there with me. We have 3 assignments for you. The first 2, we'd like you to get done today or tomorrow whenever you get a chance. The third assignment, you will have the entire week to do it. It's more of a challenge question and more of an open-ended question. What can you come up with? The skills we're going to be asking you to do, multiplication and division practice, and the big one, reasoning and explaining your thinking in a logical manner. So let me go ahead and show you what the assignments are. If I can share the screen. The first one that we are going to do is just this multiplication division patterns. It is a Google form, and if you are not familiar with using Google form, you'll just put your name right here and then scroll down, and there's 10 questions. Most of them are multiple choice, should be pretty straightforward for you. Couple word problems towards the bottom, and this last one is an open-ended question where you can type your answer right here. So there you go. Think you guys have done Google Forms before? I hope so. Make sure that you read the directions, because I'm even looking at this one right here and it says check all correct equations. Hint, if it says all, there's probably more than one. So don't let that trick you. Check them all out. Okay, our second assignment is called what number doesn't belong? This is also on a Google form where you can explain your reasoning on here. You're going to have 3 different problems. Here's 1, 2, and here's 3. And your challenge is to answer what number doesn't belong and explain your reasoning. And that's the tough part, explaining your reasoning in a logical manner. You will be writing your answers right down here. You'll be clicking here and you'll be answering it. Don't worry about just the one line. You can write a whole paragraph. Remember logic and make sure everything's in order, and also use good writing skills, capitals and periods. Here's a challenge for you guys who like the challenges. Use different reasoning skills to explain why another number doesn't belong. How many different numbers don't belong that you can think of? So go ahead and take a look at that. And our third and our final is called Who is Right? And this problem, you can do it today if you want, but this is going to be on Thursday as well. And this is Who's Right? 3 classes were competing to earn the most Falcon tickets for the monthly school raffle by being safe, respectful, and responsible. They use this chart below, class 201, 202, and 203. And it says one student figured out that each class earned the same number of tickets, but the principal thought that couldn't be true. Who's right? You're going to use your pictures, numbers, words, and equations. Make sure you use them all. Don't just give me one answer, and explain your thinking. Now you're going to do your answers right here on the next slide down. You're going to click on it and you will see, let me scroll up, explain your work here. It is a text box, so you can do all of your work right here. If you'd like to do your work on a separate piece of paper, go ahead and do that. Take a picture of it and you can upload it here. That's fine. And then there is a third slide with more of the question and explain your work here. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Remember the skills we're working on today and tomorrow, multiplication division review and explaining your thinking. That's a tough thing to do, but I think you guys are up to it.